Do it, Alex.
Do it, Alex. Do your noise.
Do it again.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Alex, do it.
Alex. Do your noise. Do your noise. Do your noise. You're crazy.
What is it? I don't know what you're doing.
What are you doing?
What is that? Oh God.
Keep doing it, Alex. Keep doing it.
What the heck? Whoa! Oh. Hey, Achilles.
Can we
Come on,
stop?
come on. Alex, ready? Oh, what the heck? Oh! You sound like a frog. Are you a frog?
Oh, Jesus. Crazy.
Alex. Oh. Now let's see your belly. Oh! Now do the noise. Whoa! Now do the noise. Whoa!
Oh my God.
What's wrong with you?
Oh.
What?
Look at you.
Whoa!
Whoa, that's crazy.
Alex. Alex.
Piggy, you're a piggy. How does he do
I
that?
don't know how he does it.
You're special. Look at you. Where's your eye? That's right.
Yes.
Very good.
Where's your ear?
Do you remember?
Ah!
Little piggy.
Alex. Now do the noise.
Woo!
Alex. Where's your ear?
I forgot. Dad.
Where's your ear?
I don't remember.
Ear. Huh? Oh, Daddy's gonna be late. You gotta go to work. Do the noise one more time. Do the noise. Huh? I don't. What are you saying? Oh, jeez. Ah!
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Nah. Is that a piggy? What is that? Oh!
Where are you going?
Alex, where's your nose? Where's your nose?
Belly.
Oh, it's a belly. Your nose.
That's not your nose.
Alex, where's your nose?
Okay, that's good. That's a nice looking belly. Oh. It's time for a bath, Alex.
All right, buddy. Daddy gotta go to work. Blow a kissy. All right.